Hi guys, for today's video, is here an untitled parkour game. Here is some tips and tricks to become pro easily. Only for noobs, tips only 5. So guys, okay, we're here. So the first step guys, when you want to learn a long jump, first you should do this when you're first you gotta press the sprint and then just jump like that. You gotta jump from this edge off. You gotta jump from that edge like that. I showed you like this white thing. You can jump like this, but not like this. First you can sprint, it is good. Now you can do that, and then you can train here in this white thing too. Like this. You can do that. And then I think gloves guys can help you climb faster. Because step 2, climb. When you want to climb and then you have power, just do this. Oh, baby glove is better. Like this. See, I can do the long jump. And then this is the wall of climbing. I'll show you without the gloves. This is kind of this can be reach 400 subscribers guys. You need to do that with that. But if not, for glove. You should have the glove. You can do this too and make that. See? You can do this too. You equip the gloves and then you have it. Look. You can see? It helps you climb faster. Step. And then step 3, do not grapple. So you just make it up. You only need some money. Watch this video. You can watch entitled parkour videos with the YouTubers. Step 3. Step 3. Roll. First, when you are look at this. See, when you long jump or jump from a high building, you can use this or like this too. Like that. So that's why you need to roll fast. So that it will make you even better when you're playing something like a challenge. Step 3. Roll bounce. You just do this. It's roll around you will do that. Look, I can do few days but step is sliding or attacking. First, when you long jump here, you can do that like that. Oh shit. My health is low. You can do that. But what if with no attack? You do that. You only stay right over here. when you are playing sometime, okay, you should do this. That. See? You reach right over here. Then when the tagger doesn't know you should write over here, but you write over there, then she's confused. How did you do that? So that's guys. You should do that. Let's put this video